On behalf of all the faculty, staff, and students, welcome to the School of Social Sciences. As Dean of the school, I am proud of the rich research and practice-based disciplines represented in the school. These disciplines include psychology, sociology, social work, economics, international studies, history, political science, and education. All our programs prepare students to take up diverse roles ranging from practice, research, and administration. All campuses of the university offer programs in social sciences, thereby increasing access and generating wider options for prospective students. Our school strongly believes in the value of interdisciplinarity and engages students and faculty in a variety of interdisciplinary experiences and programs. Central to the success of students in our school is the emphasis on engaging pedagogic practices and research-informed curriculum. And closely linked to the central core values of social responsibility, integrity, and excellence, our programs strive to give the best student experience in social and behavioral sciences. I'm also very proud of the diverse and rich experience that our faculty bring to the school from industry, community, and academia. Our faculty come with rich international and local experience from leading universities and industries. I invite all of you interested in the school to explore our programs either online or to visit us in any one of our campuses. Thank you.
Hello everyone, greetings from the Department of Economics. As all of you know, Daksh, the career fair organized by our university, offers a very strong platform for the undergraduate, masters and research scholars of our university to understand the scope, prospects and potential related to various programs and courses. The Department of Economics at the Central Campus offers a plethora of courses and various programs related to the discipline economics. The wide acceptance of the science of economics and the related programs, that is a kind of testimony of how the industry as well as the academia accepts the graduates from the discipline of economics. I'm sure that all of you would enjoy this year's Daksh Career Fair, and this is going to be a great learning experience for each one of you, and all the participants would be finding it as a kind of milestone in your entire life. I wish all of you the very best. Thank you.
After having the knowledge of the subject economics in the undergraduate program, when a student decides to take admission in the postgraduate program, it indicates his or her urge to know the greater depth of the discipline of economics. Now, keeping in mind such spirit, we provide the opportunity for advanced learning related to both theoretical modeling as well as empirical research. Currently, we have two master's programs in economics, one MA in applied economics. Under this program, even the students have the opportunity to do 1 year in abroad, either with the University of Cincinnati or the Virginia Commonwealth University. And the other program is the MA in economics, which is also very interdisciplinary in nature. Now, the course and curriculum for both the programs are designed in such a way that the students will be well equipped to do independent academic research with the required theoretical and the empirical knowledge. At the same time, we also prepare them for the market needs of a fast growing service sector led advanced globalized economy like India. And we promise that our students cater to the abstract as well as technical skills so that they are able to make themselves employable in the near future, adding to the global market structure.
Department of Economics, Christ deemed to be university, is one among the best study centers in India to learn economics. We offer different multidisciplinary courses to learn economics. Here, you have opportunities to learn economics along with history and political science and sociology, psychology and sociology, and maths and statistics. Economics, by definition, is a science which studies human behavior as the relationship between ends and spurs means which are alternative uses. I believe these different varieties of courses will help you to understand the economic science in an effective way and also to find a good career in the field of economics. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Shreya and I'm a 2020 batch pass out of MA Applied Economics. I have been a part of the Department of Economics for 5 years, completed both my PG and my UG from here. Currently, I'm working as a senior executive in the tax department of Deloitte. I got placed through college. The curriculum designed by the Department of Economics is so rich and it has a perfect balance of both quantitative and qualitative skills which enable students to equip themselves with everything they need to know to build a career in corporate as well as a career that has research and academics in it. The department also prepares the students to get ready for the world outside by organizing a host of extra and co-curricular activities which massively benefit the students. I personally have benefited a lot from this course and I can see myself applying everything that I have learned in class every day in some form or the other in my current job. I'm also looking to pursue research, and the department has been a wonderful enriching experience which has always helped me to fulfill my goals.